Shadows in the Manor. Read, imagine, learn English through stories. Listen and practice. Subscribe to our channel. Characters: Amara Blake, a fiercely independent journalist in her late 20s with hazel eyes and shoulder-length auburn hair. Amara is known for her relentless pursuit of truth, which often lands her in dangerous situations. She hides a vulnerable side, scarred by a past betrayal that makes her hesitant to trust. Ethan Cross, a mysterious and enigmatic novelist in his early 30s, with piercing blue eyes and dark, slightly disheveled hair. Ethan is reserved, often lost in thought, and carries an air of secrecy. His fame as a best-selling author is overshadowed by rumors of a dark past. Samantha, Sam Reed, Amara's loyal best friend and a tech-savvy investigator. Sam has a quick wit, a love for puzzles, and an unshakable determination to protect those she cares about. Victor Kane, a wealthy businessman with a suave demeanor, graying temples, and an unsettling charm. He has connections to Amara's latest investigation and seems to know more about Ethan than he lets on. Story. Amara and Ethan had settled into an uneasy routine. Their partnership, forged in danger, had grown into something more profound. But life rarely granted them peace for long. One evening, Ethan received a letter, the kind that no one in his life should have had the courage to send. It was delivered to his cliffside mansion, handwritten on aged parchment, with only 3 words: the Blackwood Secrets. Amara watched him read it, her journalist's instincts flaring. "What is it?" she asked. Ethan's jaw tightened. "Blackwood Manor. It's an estate my family sold decades ago. I've never been there, but my sister was fascinated by its history." The name struck a chord with Amara. Blackwood Manor had recently made headlines when its caretaker vanished under suspicious circumstances. Adding to the mystery, a series of eerie lights had been reported by nearby residents. "We need to go," Amara said, already grabbing her coat. The arrival. The journey to Blackwood Manor was foreboding, the narrow roads winding through dense forests. The manor emerged from the mist like a ghost, its towering structure cloaked in ivy. They were greeted by silence, save for the rustle of leaves in the evening breeze. Sam joined them, her gadgets in tow. "This place is straight out of a horror novel," she quipped, snapping pictures of the sprawling yet decrepit estate. Inside, the manor was a labyrinth of decayed elegance. Chandeliers hung precariously, and faded portraits of stern-faced ancestors lined the walls. Ethan's unease grew as they explored. In a study, they found a journal belonging to the missing caretaker. Its pages were filled with frantic scribblings about hidden passageways and a room of whispers. "This caretaker knew something," Amara said, flipping through the pages. "What's this?" She pointed to a sketch of a peculiar emblem etched into one of the manor's walls. Ethan froze. "That's the Cross family crest. The discovery." They split up to search for the crest. Sam's thermal scanner picked up a hollow section behind a wall in the library. Hidden behind shelves of rotting books, they found the emblem engraved into a wooden panel. Pressing it revealed a narrow staircase descending into darkness. "I don't like this," Sam muttered, but she followed nonetheless. The staircase led to a hidden chamber. The air was damp, the walls lined with dusty books and artifacts. In the center of the room was a large desk covered in old maps and documents. One document caught Ethan's attention, a deed transferring Blackwood Manor to Victor Kane. He owned this place, Amara whispered. What was he hiding here? Suddenly, the door slammed shut behind them. A faint voice echoed through the chamber. Leave now, or suffer the same fate. The twist. The group barely escaped the chamber, only to discover that someone had tampered with their car. Stranded, they barricaded themselves inside the manor. As night fell, they noticed the eerie lights. Not from outside, but from within the house. Following the lights, they discovered another hidden room. Inside, a series of tapes revealed Victor conducting experiments, not scientific, but psychological. He had lured people to the manor under false pretenses, breaking their spirits to exploit their secrets. One tape showed the missing caretaker confronting Victor. You won't get away with this, he said before Victor silenced him. Victor might be in prison, but someone's continuing his work, Ethan said grimly. The culprit. Sam hacked into the local network and uncovered a signal broadcasting from the manor's attic. There, they found a young man, Victor's nephew, Damien Kane. He had taken up his uncle's twisted legacy, using the manor as a base for his manipulations. Damien tried to escape, but Amara cornered him. Why? She demanded. His calm demeanor cracked. To finish what Victor started. People are pawns, and I'm the player. The ending. Damien was arrested, and the authorities uncovered evidence tying him to multiple crimes. As the sun rose over Blackwood Manor, Amara and Ethan stood on the cliffside, watching the light pierce through the fog. Every time we think it's over, another shadow appears, Ethan said. Amara smiled faintly. Then we'll keep chasing the light. Their bond, tested once again, grew stronger. Together, they walked away from the manor, ready to face whatever mysteries lay ahead. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.